The previous tactics in generating profitable ideas was designed to create new products. In this module, we'll discuss a way to shorten the idea creation time, and that is to reinvent the wheel. Yes, you must have heard the saying to not reinvent the wheel, which translates into don't be a pioneer and just take something that's already there. Well, that's true. However, when it comes to ideas, you would want to reinvent it. It's not about who did it first, but it's about who does it best. Our society is made to believe that everything is already set and there's no room for innovation. The truth, however, is without entrepreneurs coming in with new ideas or bettering previous processes, the world would be dull and boring. So always remember, it's not who did it first, but who does it best. And if you're fortunate enough to become your own business leader, you'll get an idea of where you need to reinvent yourself so competitors don't catch up on you. Remember to take the leap. Sometimes you just have to jump and take the risk to see if your ideas are worthy in competing in the current market. You'll never know unless you try. For instance, Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, started off his days as a student in Harvard University, where his idea eventually gained popularity and then traversed the universe. It's very easy to lose focus when you feel you have odds stacked against you, and competition will always be there. So might as well just do it. We'll have more in-depth discussion regarding this tactic in the next module, so I'll see you there.